Yes, listen students. So today, chapter number 4, consumption and investment function. The next topic is multiplier. Multiplier is the next topic, that is in page number 65. So under the heading of multiplier, introduction, assumptions, workings, classifications, uses, limitations, types of multipliers, and the relationship between the marginal propensity to consume and the multiplier. These are the various subtopics we are going to see under the heading of multiplier. So first of all, introduction. Multiplier is a concept introduced by or developed by R.F. Kahn in terms of employment. So initially it was developed by R.F. Kahn in terms of employment. So he placed that concept for the employment. Later it was redefined by J.M. Keynes as the investment multiplier in terms of employment developed by R.F. Kahn, but it was redefined by J.M. Keynes as the investment multiplier, which means change in national income. Multiplier defines change in national income and the change in investment. Change in national income and change in investment. So it explains about, delta I stands for national income. Delta Y change in change in investment, change in income. Delta I refers to change in investment, delta Y change in income. Then multiplier K equal to change in income divided by change in investment by change in income. Since delta Y is resulting from delta I, that is delta Y, that is income is resulting from investment. That is why the multiplier is called as investment multiplier. Why this multiplier is called as investment multiplier means delta Y is resulting from delta I, that is yielding from income from the investment. Then what are the assumption of the working of the multiplier? Only the fulfillment of the following assumption, then only the multiplier will be working. Number one, there is a change in autonomous investment. There should be a need of change in autonomous investment, but there is no induced investment. So in the previous classes we discussed about what do you mean by induced investment, what do you mean by autonomous investment. So there is a change in the autonomous investment, but there is no change in there is no induced investment. Then there is a closed economy which is unaffected by the foreign influences, that is non-interference of the other countries. So unaffected by the foreign influences, there is a closed economy. The next one is there is less than full employment level in the nation or economy. There should be existing of the less than full employment level in the economy. And there is no time lapse in the multiplying process. There should not be any gap. That is no time lag, means it is a continuous process. Multiplier is functioning under the continuous process. There should not be any time lag or time gap. There are no changes in the prices. Another assumption is there should not be any changes in the prices of the commodities. Then consumption is a function of current income. So consumption is a function. We should take into account only the current income, not the existing income or the future income. We take into account only the current income. Consumer goods are available and satisfying the needs of the consumer or fulfilling the demand for the consumer. Consumer goods are available to meet out the entire demand of the consumers. Then marginal propensity to so the last one is marginal propensity to consume. which is a constant one. You know the meaning of marginal propensity to consume, marginal propensity to savings. So the amount spent on the consumption, which is known as marginal propensity to consume, it should be a constant one. So after fulfillment of all the assumption only, the multiplier is a concept which is working in a proper manner. So multiplier is a concept developed by R.F. Cohn in terms of employment initially, then later it was redefined by J.M. Keynes, which it was utilized for the investment multiplier. Multiplier means change in national income and change in investment. Delta I refers to or stands for change in investment, delta Y change in income, and the multiplier K equal to change in investment divided by change in income. Since the delta Y is resulting from the delta change in investment, so that is why this multiplier is called as investment multiplier. So first two topic is over. That is the concept of multiplier introduction is over. Then assumption is over. Then workings of the multiplier we will see in the next class.